Hey guys, my name is Robert and this is the Project Nomad, and today I'd like to talk about a very cool piece of kit that I've had on my Land Cruiser for the past few years now, and that has proven itself both useful and convenient for me in a number of ways, and it is this shower awning by Kickass products. So a few of the cool things about this awning is that it's very easy to open, very easy to set up, and very easy to use. And it is a small footprint relative to the rest of your vehicle and a lot of your gear, in a way that if you have an SUV, your doors aren't necessarily hampered by its size, so you can still use the side of your rig or get to certain items on the side. And especially with an 80, I have slide out windows, and you can use these with the awning. But another thing about it is, even though the footprint is small, it is just large enough to feel comfortable inside it while you're using it. So changing, doing anything inside there, showering, it doesn't feel like it is cramped or seizing up on you while you're inside it. So that to me is a very big plus, but I think that's enough talking from my end. So let me show off the awning itself and show you how easy it is to open, to set up, and to use right now. Here's the awning all set up, and it's pretty wide, and you can tell it actually has a decent amount of room. Let me bring you inside it. It's pretty roomy all the way around, as you can see, and it has these little pockets that you can use to hold whatever you need: soap, washcloths, toilet paper if you need it. And like I was saying, how this thing can also be very useful is that you can have direct access to inside of the vehicle. And in this case, my 80, you have slide out windows here, or if you have gullwing windows. And that's pretty much the entire overview of this shower awning from Kickass. It is very convenient, it is easy to open, and it's also easy to put back together. All you have to do is do everything in reverse, and you have some tightening straps on top that will also help in tightening everything up so that it just cinches further inside. And for me, this is a very good product. I've used this both overlanding and just on simple day-to-day adventures, such as going to the beach or going to the river where you need to change or take a shower right after, so you can get that salty grime and all the sand off of you before going home, so you don't feel like your skin's just crackling with salt and drying out. This is one of the things I use all the time. And as a disclaimer, I really do like this product. It is set at a price that is for the budget-minded. It's not ridiculous, and there are different options you have as well. There is a version that has a cover on top so that if there is any kind of inclement weather, you have more protections inside. But I really do like this product, and I highly recommend it. So if you like this video and this type of content, please like, comment, and subscribe. But if you have any comments or questions, please post it down below. And if you like this type of content, please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, tread lightly.